has a partner at an international law firm advising businesses around the world on complex commercial disputes, a recently appointed arbitrator at the Court of Arbitration for Sport, and a fan of sports. I have been keenly watching the run-up to the Tokyo Olympic Games. Since the establishment of the modern Olympic Games in 1896, there has only been 5 occasions in history where the Games was disrupted, all of which were due to the 2 world wars. In 2020, the list has unfortunately been extended due to the global outbreak of COVID-19, which has undoubtedly presented unprecedented challenges to the world and, more relevantly, Japan, the host country of the Tokyo Olympic Games. Following the 1-year postponement of the Summer Games and a number of major public debates as to whether the Tokyo Olympics should be cancelled, the Tokyo Organizing Committee of the Olympic and Paralympic Games finally announced that the Summer Games will proceed this July, under the condition of banning international spectators from attending the Games from abroad and with a limit of 10,000 audiences. The economic impact of holding the Olympic Games behind closed doors is substantial. According to Katsuhiro Miyamoto, a theoretical economics professor at Kansai University, it is estimated that the closed-door Olympics would result in a 381.3 billion yen loss, about $3.5 billion, in spending related directly to the Games. The economic gains from promotional sporting and cultural events after the Games was also expected to be reduced by half, to say the very least. Not only is there a devastating economic impact, there will also be substantial commercial disputes arising from the closed-door Olympics. In the past, with an open-door Olympics, souvenir sales is a multi-billion-dollar business. Many of these contracts were usually concluded many months before the Games. With a closed-door Olympics, no international visitors and a limit of 10,000 audiences, it is expected that sales of souvenirs will drop significantly. It is common that when a party to this type of contract is making a significant loss, contractual disputes will usually be a natural consequence, especially when the losses arising from this Olympics are expected to be catastrophic. On the other hand, the organizers' decision to continue with the Olympic Games also meant that an approximate of 60,000 foreign athletes and their supporting staffs will be brought into the country. This raised public concerns as the nation would be exposed to health risks and potentially overloading local health infrastructure, particularly when the Japanese government only just started to get the pandemic under control as July was approaching. As the international teams are starting to arrive in Tokyo, there are already at least 2 confirmed cases from the Ugandan Olympic team. There will be more, and the world is watching how the Tokyo government handles this confirmed case.